Hey, I'm David McMillan. I'm the president and CEO of Deveron UAS. Deveron is a drone data-driven company for agriculture. Our goal is to bring imagery from the field into farmers' decision-making. We have a network of pilots all across North America that collect data on demand. We're really excited about our recent acquisition of Veritas Farm Management. The goal is to bring an aggregate analytics provider for growers across North America. We know that agronomic data is going to drive decision making in farming in the future, and we're really excited about bringing their entire team into the Deveron family and continuing to work together to build product that growers can use on the field. For farmers that are looking to leverage drone data on the farm, it's a really simple workflow of working with Deveron. You can order a drone flight for any of your fields whenever you need it, no matter where you are. And at our network of pilots that are situated across Canada and the US, we'll come out to your farm, collect your data, we process it and deliver it to you within 48 hours so you can make decisions from that information. Gone are the days of needing to buy a drone, learn how to process geospatial data, figuring out how to get it from the cloud. So it's a really seamless workflow that allows you as the grower to make better decisions from in-season imagery data. We're excited to have partnered with Corp as well as My John Deere, so your data can be shared seamlessly between these platforms if you use them. We also have no problem sending you your data in any form so that you and your trusted advisors can make sense of all this great, exciting new agronomic information. We have a team of agronomy folks and drone folks that are working with you or the retailers that you work with or your seed or chem companies that can help you use this data to, again, make better decisions on the field, whether that be relating to applying fungicides at opportune times, deciding where to and when to apply nitrogen for its most efficiency, or for even scouting your field in a more efficient way. No longer do you need to go out and walk every single field. Get a drone flight, look at your 10 fields and decide which ones actually need your attention. So recently we announced a partnership with A&L, which we're really excited about. So A&L is one of the leading soil sampling companies in North America. I think when we think about how decisions are going to change on the farm, it's always based in agronomic insight, and that starts with soil. So it's a really great progressive partnership for us, working with a large, credible leader in the space that has been doing lots of work around soil sampling, layering all of this different type of agronomic information to help growers make better decisions is going to be really exciting for us. We're looking forward to, in the next 12 months, announcing new partnerships and products with A&L that all types of customers will be able to leverage around soil sampling, soil data, and in-season drone data.